Lag Stinky Boys presents Kitty Duck Muffin. Me! That's me! You can call me Giddy. I prefer Mr. Duck Muffin. You better call me Mr. Duck Muffin. Ah, Doodle. Ew. Ew, we got on our carpet. Ew. So today, I don't know what we gonna do. First, I'd like you to look at me. You're my teddy bear. You know my teddy bear is awesome. Look, you're looking at for 2 views. That's so sweet, ain't it? I know what we're gonna do. Hey, wanna go annoy people? Let's do it. I don't know what to do. I know you did it. I know you did it. You did it. What did you do? That's what I thought. Let's go downstairs. I'm gonna scare my little sister. Scared me. No, I didn't. I'm getting Duck Muffin. Just to let you know, her last name ain't Duck Muffin. Mom, Giddy Duck Muffin. Look how much I weigh on the scale. Let me just step through it. Let's see how much I weigh. Wow, -1 pound. Ah, that's so amazing. A dwarf hamster! I want one for my birthday. My sister's a American Girl doll. Now I'm gonna play you a song. Can you hear it? I wish I had something to hold up my camera. I made my bushes skin. Let's see. If they don't cover the lens, they'll be perfect. Yeah, I'll just put it right here so you can watch my finger work. Okay, let me find a cool tune. I could do the clarinet. Okay, tone 54, song bank 01. Okay, let's see if I remember this. Okay. Wait, no, sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, let me check my notes. Okay, I got it. That stunk because I'm not very good at the keyboard clarinet. Let me try just regular piano 1 song bank. We can just keep it the same. Okay. That was Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. No, I'm just kidding, that was bad. I stink at this. guys had to see that. My doggy's laying down. Looky, me and Santa Claus. Watch this, they're all gonna, except for that one. That one's dead. But I don't know where the third one is. It's probably somewhere, but watch this. She look up. Here's some music. This really wasn't cleaned up. That's because what makes me Geddy Duck Muffin. Ooh, I stepped in something squishy. Ooh, that's nasty. Probably can't hear it. It's probably hard. Feels like that my phone is really low volume. My foot's all sticky now. My sock is these. Look, my buddy. I think his name is Jimmy. I forgot what I named him. Look, he's perfectly balanced. He's so good at balancing. Just keep going.
Anyway, what are you doing with those binoculars?
But he had teddy bear.
Yep, my teddy bear. He's still at him. It's Chewbacca. Need a hug. Hey, quit using the camera. Don't make me flush you down your toy. Oh, he's hurting my hand. Ew. He was holding my hand. Now, put your financing for the camera. I'm going to flush you down the toilet. Give you a swirly. I got you out. Okay, I'll be sure. Slow motion. Let's pick up Chewbacca. Well, I think that about concludes this episode. As I say every episode, I am Mr. Duck Muffin, not Giddy. I am Giddy Duck Muffin. I said you can call me Giddy, but I prefer Mr. Duck Muffin. Call me Mr. Duck Muffin.